guys, it is Sunday, February 19th, and this is the start of a new vlog. And I know I'm acting really chipper right now, and that's because I'm trying to convince myself that I am. I do not feel good. I think I've got a migraine coming. So, but I have my prayer group tonight, and I love that, and I have had to miss it before because of migraines. And this week we're having a little like Galentine's party, so I made a chocolate pudding pie that I'm taking. So after we do our prayer stuff for the hour, then we'll just have a little hangout time and have some treats and stuff. And I don't want to miss that. And so I'm just like pushing through to get myself going. Brian and I started this morning with a 2-mile walk, and I thought, oh, getting out in the fresh air is going to help me immensely, which it did while I was out there. But then as soon as I get back in the house and stuff, I'm just like, ugh, I can feel it. I can feel it. And so I'm hoping, I always hope I can nab it. I say that every time. It doesn't work. I'm an eternal optimist about it. And Brian's always like, I hate how this or that, or like, you know, you always seem to, and I'm like, no, it's not. And he's right. But for whatever reason, I like refuse to admit it. So, yeah, I just want to be able to go and enjoy myself tonight. And then whatever happens, happens. I want to go ahead and show you guys last week's verse and show you the one for this week. And so that we can do that before, because I don't know what I will be like by the time I'm getting home today. So here we go. Love must be sincere. Hate what is evil. Cling to what is good. Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. And that is Romans 12, verses 9 through 10. And so just like it says, love must be sincere. You can't fake it. You can't, if you just pretend to love, it's not going to be the same as when you sincerely love someone. We need to hate what is evil. You don't hate people, you hate the evil things in the world, not people. Our fight is not against flesh and blood. And so definitely keeping that in mind, hate what is evil, but that is not people. Evil is not what you see, you know, and cling to what is good. The things that are good, those are the things we need to cling to and hold on to, and, you know, keep ourselves looking toward and look for the good in things, cling to those things. Be devoted to one another in love, obviously, being devoted to one another and loving one another. Love covers a multitude of sins. And when you love people, you are able to, it doesn't mean you overlook, but you give grace. And that is so important. And don't we all want grace for the things that we do sometimes that aren't the best? And so we need to extend that to other people as well. And then always honor one another above yourselves. And if we really did that, if this world, if as people, we honored one another above ourselves, if we weren't selfish, we live in such a me-centric world where everything is about what makes you happy, what feels best to you, what's your, you know, whatever. If we thought about one another above ourselves, imagine what this world would be like. Amazing. So that was the verse for this past week. And now let me show you for this week. So this week is, for God has not given us a spirit of fear, but one of power, love, and sound judgment. 2 Timothy 1:7. So that is the one that I will be memorizing for this week. So I will go ahead. I have a hat on because I didn't feel like doing my hair, but I also didn't want to wear it down because it is crazy windy here. And I just wasn't feeling like trying to curl my hair and stuff, and then when I'm not even feeling good anyway. So that's what we're doing here with the hat. And I usually still have my hair curled even when I wear a hat, but that's not happening today. It's not happening. So this is what we got. And I will show you my outfit before we go because it's just something a little special from our prayer group. And so, yeah. Oh, and of course my earrings are Genry, and I've got the cute little white heart studs in. And I'll show you my outfit and my chocolate pudding pie that I'm taking. And Brian and I are headed to Home Depot real quick to grab a little paint for a project I'm hoping to do this week. If a migraine comes, it's probably not happening. So I already am like telling myself that's okay. It's okay. Like I've put myself on a time schedule. It's not anything that I have to stick to, you know, it's just more for motivation, not because it's something I have to do. So trying to remember that and not hold myself to things that may not be realistic. But all right, I will talk to you guys very soon. So here's that chocolate pudding pie. Pretty much the easiest thing you could possibly make. Just graham cracker crust, make some chocolate pudding, put some Cool Whip on top, and some mini chocolate chips, and boom. Okay, speaking of putting myself on time schedules and sometimes not getting things done, you still see stuff behind me. There's some stuff for my latest TEMU haul, but also I still have not done my closet declutter yet, so that's still got to happen. So that's why there's still stuff behind me. But anyway, that's not what we're talking about right now. So I obviously have this hat on. It's just from Walmart. And then this corduroy, it's not actually corduroy, but kind of looks like it, shacket type thing is from TEMU. So that was just in my latest haul. I mentioned it's not my favorite thing. I don't dislike it though, and I thought today would be good to wear it for what I'm wearing it with. And then I've got just some straight leg jeans and my cute little blowfish. Let me get up close so you can look at them. They're so cute. They're my, ooh, let me kick my mirror. They zip up the side right there, but they're little leopard print. I love these things. Blowfish is one of my favorite shoe brands. But anyway, the real star of the show that I wanted to show you is our shirts that several of us from our prayer group have. I'll have to see if I can get my shirt open wide enough here for you to see it good. And it says Praying Moms Club. So here, let me see. There we go. Maybe. Praying Moms Club. So just a cute little shirt that we have there. Here, I'll show it to you so you can see it the right way. There we go. Gives you a better idea of like the print on it and stuff is cute. And so it was just something fun that we decided to get. So that is my outfit for today. And I'm headed out. Hey guys, today is Tuesday, February 21st. And I'm looking like this because I worked out. I worked out today for the first time in, I don't even know how long, but it like pains me and disgusts me to even think about it. Because I used to be really good about it. And just today, just doing the workout I did today, I did a 20-minute strength training like workout. I feel so much better just having moved my body and remembering how much I enjoy doing strength training workouts. I absolutely love it. My problem is, and I've mentioned this before about other things, I tend to go so like hardcore into things that it's not sustainable. So I was doing 6 days a week of like these 40 minutes or longer workouts. And I did that for 16 weeks. And I did not feel like I really saw results. I mean, I definitely felt stronger and stuff, but like my body did not change that much. And it was very discouraging to me. And so I ended up kind of just quitting. And then I've gained like 15 pounds. I think since August. Like, I mean, ugh. So I just feel awful. And today I was like, you know what? You won't have seen anything for yesterday, for Monday, because Saturday night I started not feeling real great. Sunday morning, I knew I did not feel good. But my husband and I went out for like a 2-mile walk and it was brisk out. The wind was blowing. And I'm like, okay, the fresh air in my face and stuff feels so much better. Like, I think I'll be okay. And I had my prayer group that night and stuff. And so I just really, really wanted to fight through it and go. And I knew I was getting a migraine. And by the time I left, they didn't know it because I didn't say anything. But when I got out to the car leaving from prayer group, I got in and I took some medication and I told Brian, I said, I'm sorry, I want to talk to you about stuff that happened tonight because it was awesome, but I can't even talk right now. I'm so sick. Like, I thought I was going to throw up. I was so just nauseous and stuff from my migraine. So I ended up coming home and basically just going to bed and spent all day yesterday completely useless because of migraine. So thankfully it wasn't like as bad as they are sometimes, but yeah, and today I woke up feeling great. So I'm like, and right now it is 2:45 in the afternoon, and sometimes I'll wake up feeling good, and then as the day progresses a little bit, I start not feeling well. But that has not happened today. So I've been able to get some things done that I really wanted to do and then also work out. So I was like, I'm taking full advantage of feeling good and whatever. So that's what I did today. And so I thought I would just pop on here and tell you guys that. And for dinner last night I didn't take like video footage of it because I just wasn't feeling good. But you saw my meal plan for the week maybe on Saturday that I had put up. Actually, I'll show it to you again because then I can show you kind of what like the meals are that we're having for this week. So let's go look, shall we? You can see, oh, I guess there's not too much of a mess behind me. Now you got real close to my face. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here is my meal plan for the week. Korean ground beef and broccoli, taco bowls, ground beef teriyaki rice bowls. That's what we had on Saturday, and I did show you that in the last vlog. Oh my gosh, they were phenomenal. Last night we had baked pork tenderloin with potatoes. We didn't have carrots. We had broccoli and cauliflower instead. And then we're gonna have egg roll in a bowl, chicken pot pie soup, burgers and oven fries, and chicken ramen stir fry. So those are the meals that we've got going on for the week. And Riley requested taco bowls for tonight. So that is what we are going to do for dinner tonight. So I will show you a little clip of that. And yeah. Yeah, so that's kind of what is happening. I'm just so thankful to feel good today. Like, seriously, praise God. I am so thankful to feel good. And so I'm so happy that I got a workout in. It's making me feel just excited and motivated to now get back into it. And so I've been doing kind of a lot of research for like women over 40. What are the best things to do for diet and exercise and stuff? Obviously, I'm bumping up my protein big time and stuff like that. Definitely drinking more and more water. And strength training, 20 minutes, at least 3 days a week, seems to be like the prime thing to do. And, you know, a little bit of cardio here and there, and you can do that, you know, a brisk walk, which Brian and I love to go for walks. So that's kind of going to be my cardio, because I hate cardio. I recognize it's good for your lungs and your heart and stuff, but it's not something I enjoy doing. So, that's kind of going to be where I get my cardio from. And then, I found a lady on YouTube who does strength training workouts for women over 40, and they're like 20 minutes long, so it's perfect. So I just did that for the first time today, and it was just the beginner one. So I'll do them a little bit, and then I'll kind of give you guys more like what I'm thinking of it, because I don't want to say just off of one. The first one was very like introductory kind of thing, so it was pretty simple. But actually my arms are sore, and holding this up right now, I can feel the muscle in my arm. I was actually surprised. I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised with how much strength I still have that I had built before. And that, you know, I thought I was going to be like, I'm not going to be able to do anything. Like, I'm going to have to use 5-pound weights. And there's no shame in that. I'm not saying that. But for what I was doing before to now, I was going to be very upset if I was having to use 5-pound dumbbells for things. And I was using 15s. So I was like, okay, like I still got, you know, some of that there. So that makes me very encouraged. And so I just thought I would share that with you guys. And yeah, I'll show you dinner for tonight. And otherwise, I don't think anything's going on for tonight. And we'll just go from there. So taco on a bowl became taco on a plate. And oh my gosh, so dang good. The kids had tortilla chips with theirs, but we didn't. You're getting all the good looks this week. I took a shower, and this is what I did, and just let my hair air dry is basically what I did, and put my skincare on. But today is Wednesday, February 22nd. Yeah. And we are having an ice storm, so I will show you some. I keep going out my front window, or not out my front window, looking out my front window and letting you hear the ice at the window. And as you're seeing the, you know, level of ice build up on the window. But you can also hear my washer in the background. So sorry about that, but whatever. And so I thought I would just let you know what we're doing. We are just praying that the power doesn't go out, because they're very worried about that already here in, I don't know if it was just in Michigan or a certain area of Michigan, but there's already like 38,000 people without power. So we're praying that doesn't happen. If it does, our in-laws, or my in-laws, my husband's parents, have a whole house generator, so we will just go there. But you also have the worry of trying to go out and drive. They only live like 10 minutes from us, and we live in the country, so it's not like, you know, busy roads or something, but still icy everywhere. So yeah, so we're just praying that the power doesn't go out. So dinner is almost done, and I'm making egg roll in a bowl, so I will show you that. And we have an electric stove, so I'm like, we need dinner to finish getting ready in case, you know, the power does go out. And so that is what we are doing today. We were just hanging out. There was no school today, so Asher didn't go anywhere. Riley's home, and Brian went to work in the morning before the stuff started. Like, he got home before it, you know, started getting yucky. So, and I just got news that Gavin and Noelle are safely home from work. So this one I can chill out and then just pray that we don't lose power. So check out our egg roll in a bowl, and I guess that will be all for today. And here is yummy egg roll in a bowl for dinner.
And oh my gosh, Asher's super picky, so he didn't eat it, but that was okay because it was supposed to be 4 servings, but for Brian, Riley, and I, it was like, this is all we got, so it worked out perfect and it was delicious. Now, this is on Thursday, the 23rd, and the ice was all on top of the snow, so you could walk across the yard and not like crush through to the ground because it was so icy. So it was another snow day. And then for dinner that night, I made chicken pot pie soup. Oh my gosh, you guys, this turned out so dang good. Everybody loved it. Definitely will be making it again. I will put all the recipes from this week down below.
Hey guys, today is Friday, February 24th, and it's a good day already, and it's like 3:30 in the afternoon. Already. I'm a little bit of a late riser, so for me, it's like still early in the day. Anyway, I am so excited. Yesterday was Thursday. I didn't really record anything. I showed you dinner, which was chicken pot pie soup, which was delicious. And so yeah, that was yesterday's dinner. And otherwise yesterday, all I did, I worked in here in my master bathroom doing some stuff. I cleaned out under my bathroom cabinets, and I cleaned out my little cart back here, and like with my lip stuff, caddy thing, and all that good stuff. And it took me a long time, and I still have to do my linen closet in here, but I felt very accomplished. It was a snow day again, so Asher and my husband were both home for the day, and so it was just kind of a chill day, and that's what we did. And I made that soup for dinner, which everybody really liked. I made cornbread with it, and they were like, it's like the perfect day for it because it was just cold and icy and stuff out, and so they really liked it, so that made me happy. And so tonight, actually, Brian and I are having leftovers of that because Asher has a game. So we are going to his game, which, oh my gosh, it's being made into a triple header because the girls' varsity basketball was supposed to play last night at this school. And the school is like, I think it's about an hour away. Anyway, since there was no school and the roads and stuff were still icy, their game got canceled yesterday. So now it's going to be JV boys, then varsity girls, then varsity boys basketball. So Asher's game does not start till 8:45 tonight. Ugh. But whatever. And then tomorrow's a big day. I have my friend Jenny's daughter Grace's bridal shower, so I'm excited about that. And then I'm going out to dinner with my amazing friends Anna and Terry, and so I cannot wait to do that. And it's also my oldest son Gavin's 24th birthday. So we knew he was probably going to have plans to do stuff with his friends on Saturday. So like last week I said, hey, I know you probably have plans on Saturday for your actual birthday, so how about we come over on Sunday and bring over like dinner and dessert and stuff. So that's what we are doing on Sunday. So you will get to see a little bit of that for the next week's vlog. But for tomorrow, or for today, it's the game. And oh, the thing though that I am like so excited about right now is I just finished filming for my latest TEMU haul, which is actually going up today. So if you're watching this vlog and you haven't seen it yet, it went up on Friday, and I'll link it up here for you to check out. And it's all PR. It was 4 clothing pieces, and I tried them on for you. When I say I freaked all the way out, I'm not joking. So definitely check it out. I'm like just so stupidly giddy and excited right now. So I hope that you will check it out and see what I got and let me know what you think. But other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and edit that video actually and get it up for tonight and work on. I like to do, like when I'm doing these vlogs during the week, I keep uploading like every day and do if I have voiceovers and stuff, so that each day I'm putting it in, and that way when it's the end of the week before it needs to like go up, you know, be uploaded, whatever, it's pretty much done. So it's never like a daunting task. So it works out perfect. But so I'm going to go do that stuff and enjoy Asher's game tonight and the stuff we have going on tomorrow. And I will probably put some pictures, probably not of the bridal shower and stuff, but maybe some pictures of being out to dinner tomorrow night and stuff. So I will just show you guys that stuff then. All right. Have an awesome day, which this day will already be over, but whatever day it is that you're actually watching this, I hope you have an awesome day. Okay, the lighting's gonna be terrible, I'm well aware. I am in my bedroom, just want to wrap up this vlog for the week to be able to upload it for you guys. But it is Saturday night, the 25th, and my eldest son Gavin is 24 today, and we are celebrating with him tomorrow. I know I already mentioned that, so I will be doing a little bit of something to have that in next week's vlog. But other than that, I had my friend Jenny's daughter Grace's shower this morning or afternoon, and so I will put some pictures of Jenny and I, which my shirt got all wrinkled in my coat. I was so sad, so I look like a wrinkly mess, but Jenny looks cute. But that's my soul sister Jenny, so now you know. And yeah, so that was super fun. And then we didn't end up going out to eat tonight because of like just some schedule mishaps. And anyway, no, it's okay. But so yeah, so we're just enjoying the evening at home, and Brian and I just watched the Elvis movie, and it was pretty good. Like there was a corny element to it, I felt like, but otherwise pretty good. So that was fun. We don't really watch movies that much, which is totally my fault, because anybody else, like I can commit to watching like 30 like episodes of some kind of show or series, but to like commit to a movie, sometimes I'm most of the time I'm just not gonna do it. I don't know why. I have no idea. But yeah, so that's what we did today for Saturday. And I'm going to show you, I won one of the gifts at the shower today. And so that was super cute. So I'm going to show that to you. And otherwise, it's been a fantastic week. And I hope you guys enjoy kind of seeing what I did for the week. And I will catch you tomorrow for... Well, I might not do it in the morning. I might wait till I get home, because we're going to church in the morning and then picking up Gavin's ice cream cake. And then we're going over there and we're having pizza and ice cream cake to celebrate his birthday. So probably tomorrow evening is when I will do like my Bible verse and stuff for Sunday. But you don't care, because you'll see that tomorrow. Well, no, you'll see it next week. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what's going on with you down in the comments down there. And I look forward to hearing just what's up with everybody. I hope you're all doing really well. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Like, look at this. This is what I won at the shower today. So there's like a little tiny like cutting board. I said it's going to be my personal charcuterie board. And then that spoon rest that says Say Grace. The bride, her name is Grace. So super cute. And then Mrs. Meyer's dish soap that's rose scent. But oh my gosh, adorable.